I was using beta a lot for our installations. And also it was like a huge mess, always just, getting into this massive spider of links. If I had a bunch of different animations, then, it's like this patch does this patch does this patch does this, and then like morphing between them. And I was trying to create one installation where there were moving heads that one just aims at another, and it gives it an impulse to go into its own state and then find another one, and eventually they would all sort of connect. I was working with the state machine, like with automata for it, and it was just a disaster because when I did a change in the state machine, it wouldn't update in the rest of the patches.
Yeah.
So I had to keep reloading it, and then it became a complete mess. For another installation, I did a system that was already starting to be kind of like Schéma in many ways. So I could, get this things affecting other things and changing their behaviors depending on some rules, which is not entirely there yet, but the idea is to have this kind of game of life of different fixtures or objects that have some states and behaviors, and then they send some signal or message to something else, and that can react to that, and that way you can create this just procedural behavior of the whole organism.